So, traders, we're in a new month, we're in a new quarter, we're in a new week, and we're in the same trading markets. And on today's video, I'm just gonna be breaking down to you guys what we might look to expect, which is our weekly trading outlook for the coming week on 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is Nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. But before we get ahead on the video, like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link in the description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And if you're looking to capitalize on our 3-day one-on-one mentorship course, then I guess you're gonna take the time and the opportunity to click that link down below and hit our mentorship terminal so you can see all the mentorships that we have and all the live calls and all the special deals and offers that we have. So you can choose the 3-day course, come to us, or we come to you for 3 days and give you all the knowledge and equip your trading and change it for the good and the better. But without further ado, let me just break down to you guys what we might look to expect for the coming week and what we might look to put our money to work on based on the 3 trading pairs that we always work on. And the first pair is going to be Nasdaq. So simply, as you guys clearly understand how Nasdaq is looking, Nasdaq is trading on an all-time high, which is above $27,600, right? So the initial course and effect of Nasdaq, it's all based on tech earnings, it's all based on price finding our bottom, we believe, and so to say, we see a positive I wouldn't say investment, but a positive deal that many investors are now putting their money to work on tech and AI stacks. So that's the reason why Nasdaq is bullish currently. But technically speaking, you can clearly tell that price gave us this resistance, and price later on gave us a simple break in a retest and a continuation to the upside. So understanding trading, you guys know that from every higher high we need a higher low, and from every higher low we anticipate a possible higher high. But it's only based if price breaks that current higher high after printing out a higher low. So Nasdaq, it's more or less simple because we're gonna be waiting for confirmation, and confirmation is simply based on us having to understand that from a higher high we need a higher low, and from a higher low we anticipate a possible move to the upside of a new higher high. But at the same time, if price pushes and continues pushing to the downside, then I guess we might wait and see what this price might be going to do below our resistance. Are we going to hold above, or might price give us a violation of that resistance in anticipation of those moves to the downside? We just don't know. That's why I keep it the way I keep it. Let's simply wait for confirmation to see what this price going to do later on or the beginning of the week. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And gold, I think gold, I think traders are putting too much money on gold, and it's relatively not the right time to put your money to work on gold. Simply looking at how the structure and behavior of gold is, you guys clearly understand that this 4300 zone, it's where price found its 2026 bottom, and then price started pushing to the upside. So all I'm now going to just say to you guys on gold is very simple. We might not look to put our money to work on gold until price comes back to this very same zone to either give us a fill to break for a reversal or a break below for a continuation. And at the same time, this key level resistance, we're also looking for price to give us 2 things: a fill to break to look for the move to the downside, or break above to look for those moves to the upside. Because you wouldn't be forcing and looking for things that are not there, but just keeping it simple. You guys understand that gold, it's not a hard pair to trade, but you just need to understand your technicals and understand the power of your fundamentals. So gold, I just wouldn't say much, but I'm just going to keep it the way we keep it. We're just going to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is based on us having to understand how we're going to get price breaking the zone, or we're going to get price respecting the zone, how we're going to get price reacting from the zone, or respecting this zone, and that's what we're going to be focusing on gold. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. In USD CAD, when you clearly look at the structure, price is creating what lows, and price is violating those that it's printing out. So to say, you now understand that price is bearish. But looking at our previous reaction, this low gave us this high, and this high later on pushed and came back to our previous low. So understanding trading, you now understand that from this push to the upside, giving us those lows, and this push to the downside, coming back to those very same lows, all we're now going to be focusing on is very simple. If price is going to give us a double bottom, all we now need to see is for price to fail to break below this very same zone, and then price to give us a bear momentum candlestick, and then look for those moves to the downside, to the upside of a reversal. But at the same time, if price is going to give us a simple break and retest, then I guess we're going to continue with our overall bear structure and bear behavior, and look for those continuations to the downside. But at the same time, if price fails to break, then I guess we might look forward for bear move, for bullish momentum above our zone, and then look for those moves to the upside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on USD CAD for this week. Do you guys get that? So I guess I now gave you guys all the gems, all the knowledge, and I gave you guys all the arsenals that you need to go out there and capitalize on this coming week. Like I said, guys, if you still need mentorship, or if you still need guidance, and if you still need teaching on how you can get such knowledge and how you can anticipate possible moves based on how the market structure is looking, then I guess you're going to click that link and choose a course that you prefer, so we can come to you for either 2 days or 3 days, give you the gems, give you the knowledge, and most of all, show you the trading for the gold and the better. And for the most part of it, we have our crypto page, which is currently popping, right? So click that link and follow our second page so we can reach out to target what we're aiming for, which is 10K. And lastly, there's 2 links down below that you can choose to sign up with the brokers that I recommend and trade with and begin trading with. So I guess we're going to take the time and the opportunity to click those links, and most of you sign up and join the winning team and be on the safe side. But without further ado, I've said enough and I've shared enough. I guess I might catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.